Greetings my fellow repairers, what have I got on the menu today? Well, continuing with my refresh of the suspension, I've now got the front anti-roll bar drop links. Gone for these Myla, tell me how to pronounce it in the comments maybe. Got these HD better than OE, wow, cool drop links, they look pretty nice and sturdy. Here we go, nicely packaged, look, nice quality. Even say HD, even say HD on them, so they must be heavy duty. I just thought that, you know, usually you try and go for Land Rover. These looked really nice, so I just thought I'd try these for a change. And then we'll see how we get on with them. But they can't be any worse than what's on there, and what's on there is about 17 years old. So they nicely come with the new nuts. So I've got new nuts on either end. They just look nice, and they feel good quality. So there you go. Let's see how we get on. Let's go and sort out one of the sides on the car. Right, so if we have a look in here, we can see that the old drop link is connected down here. Goes all the way up to these top arms that we replaced a few weeks ago. Obviously this one shouldn't be too hard to get off because it's come off before, but this one down here is nice and rusty and old, as is the way, and won't focus. Yeah. Focus, you stupid thing. Right, there you go. If you can see it, nice rusty nut. So we'll see how that comes off. But you can see they're pretty sort of old and shot, so it's not going to hurt to replace them. So here we go, let's have a go. What I think I'll try and do first of all is on here is try and just break it off with a deep socket, if I can get one on there. Just see if I can just turn it, and then hopefully it will come off. Might get some WD-40 on it as well, which I always forget to do. I'm the worst at that. People always say soak everything before you take it off, but you know, I'm just, well, too stupid and lazy to remember. So hopefully it will come off without too much of a fight. This is not too easy to film because it's in a really awkward place, but I'll see whether I can get a better angle on the camera. I might, once I've broken it off, I might move the camera around to the other side. And of course, a long spanner won't fit. Let me just get another one. These are 18mm nuts. Just got to be careful as well with these brake pipes. Yeah. Of course it's too tight. Of course it's too tight for me to undo straight away. Just bear with me a minute. Let's try again. I've got my spanner extender. See if that will give me enough oomph to do it. What I'm just trying to do now is just break the break the nut so it comes undone. Aha. That's the hardest bit. Excellent. Right, cool. Spinning round. Just going to get some WD-40 on it. So 1 point, or a bonus point to the spanner extender because it has done its job this time. Alright, so the bit that stops it spinning round is 8mm, so you can pop a spanner on it, make sure it's configured around the right way to stop it spinning. Let's see if we can get this going properly. Doesn't feel too bad actually. It's not too bad actually. Pleased by this. It's a lot easier than the last time I had to do it on the rear ones. It's funny how some bolts and nuts come undone easily and others fight you till the death. Nice and easy. Wow, that was good. Pleased by that. Hope I won't be cursing the other side. So literally they just nicely pop out once you've got it off. Right, and I'm gonna switch to the top one. So the top one, the same principle. I mean, this one's alright because it's got a new nut on it, because I replaced the top arm a few weeks ago, so that will come off easily. Shouldn't cause too much of a headache. There you go. There you go. Another one nicely off. Right, very easy. And once it's like that, just push off, pops out, and there we go. Right, so what have we got here? This one is, again, very old, and actually, unlike the ones on the rear, this one has got a nasty hole in it. So that would be potential MOT failure if we left that. So I caught this in the nick of time. There you go. The other one, the other end isn't cracked, but it doesn't look far off, does it? I wonder if it would crack if I was to manipulate it. They're just old like me. Same thing again then on this. This is the driver's side UK, so that'll be the right hand side of the vehicle, front. It's got the same problem again of just being able to get that undone initially, breaking it off. Fortunately these aren't crazy horrible tight, so there you go. Beautiful, there we go. This one comes off too, not too bad, if that will focus. Again, the top one shouldn't be too much hassle, seeing as it's been off recently. Nice and easy. And then again, just pops out nice and easy. Right, just as a quick check as well, because I've got both sides off of the anti-roll bar links, and obviously I've got an anti-roll bar. Now these bushes in here do go, but the ones in here have been replaced not that long ago, probably about a year, so they should be all right still. And I haven't done that many miles. I'm just gonna wiggle that and make sure it's not gonna make any weird and wonderful noises, but it doesn't feel really loose. It feels quite stiff, so that's a good sign as well. So it's just another way of checking for like a suspension noise, because often the warm front anti-roll bar bushes can create a knocking sound when you're sort of driving at slow speed, and it's quite annoying, and it's relatively simple to replace those. So this is the other side. So this is near side UK, which is the left hand. If you're sitting in the driver's seat, the left hand side. This is the one that's got the split at the top. The driver's side is not split. See it? Again, they're not like crazy condition, but they're just old and they are rusty. So, well worth replacing that. Right, so this is a new one, as you can see again, just nice from the other side. Mylar, whatever you call them. HD anti-roll bar links. Nice quality item. Popping up the top, I think, first. These are a lot stiffer than the other ones. That's it. Nice. That one's nipped up. Nipped up now too, yay! I've had a little look at this. I can't get my torque wrench on it, so I'm just gonna do it up. So I think it's sort of plenty tight. I'll do the top one with the torque wrench, but yes, I don't have the correct torque wrench to facilitate torquing this one properly. So we'll just guess, which is what you do a lot of the time when you've got a Land Rover. Click, click. That'll do. That'll do. That'll do, donkey. Right, one side done. So we do the same procedure on this side. So it's going to start with the insert at the top. Bottom one done. Click, click. There you go. Torqued up nicely. Right, so there you have it. There's the nice bottom one done up as tight as I can. Top one looking nice. This is on the left hand side. And let's look at the other side, see how we're getting on. All nice and new, nice new HD nailer drop links. Oh, look at that. Shiny, happy people. So hopefully these are going to give us a bit longer life and may even rectify some suspension noises. Fingers crossed. There you go.